Welcome to Prince Mathsclinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time zone you are watching from. And today we have a very interesting aspect of mathematics we'll be considering today. Have you ever wondered why every maths teacher or every teacher that handles mathematics will always tell you that any number to the power of 0 equals to 1? Why is the result always 1? Even if it is 1 million to the power of 0, they will tell you it is 1. Let us find out. And I'm going to show you or prove to you why any number to the power of 0 is 1 using these two methods. Pick any number of your choice. For the sake of this illustration, I'm going to pick number 3. And I'm going to raise it to the power of 4. What does 3 raised to the power of 4 tells us? It means that multiply 3 4 times. That is, multiply this 3 4 times. Now, if you multiply 3 4 times, it's going to give us 81. I want to reduce this power by 1 by saying 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27. Then I will reduce the power again by 1. So I'm going to obtain 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. Then I will reduce the power again by 1. 3 to the power of 1. Now, what did you observe? One observation. When we add 3 to the power of 4, right, we obtain 81. Right? Now, when we add 3 to the power of 3, we obtained 27. But what did you observe? It means that the result here, that is 3 to the power of 4, reduced by 1 3. That means 1 3 was deleted when it came to the turn of 3 to the power of 3. Also, when it came to the turn of 3 to the power of 2, one of the 3's was deleted. And when it came to the turn of 3 to the power of 1, one of the 3 was deleted. How was that process possible? It was possible because we said 81 divided by 3 will give us 27. 27 divided by 3 will give us 9. And if we divide 9 by 3, you will get 3. So therefore, it means that the operation had been successful because we kept dividing 3, dividing all the numbers by 3 by 3. So also, I'm going to divide this figure here by 3 when it comes to the turn of 3 to the power of 0. And if you say 3 divided by 3, you are going to obtain 1. So 3 to the power of 0 gives us 1. Now, I'm not going to end here. Although my promise is to show you that 3 to the power of 0 gives us what? 1. What if you have a negative power, such as 3 to the power of minus 1? So it means using the same principle of dividing by 3, it means that I'm going to divide the result here by 3. And if I divide 1 by 3, I will get what? 1 over 3. Then let me take it a bit further. So if I have 3 to the power of negative 2, it means divide the result here by 3. So 1 over 3 divided by 3. When you change it to multiplication, it becomes times 1 over 3. Then 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. So, as you can see on the board, it means that any number to the power of 0 equals to 1. So let's go right into the second proof to show us that what 3 to the power of 0 equals to 1. Now, here is the other proof to show you that 3 to the power of 0 or any number, as long as that number is not 0, any number that is a natural counting number like 1, 2, 3 to infinity, as long as that number is not 0, right? Because 0 raised to the power of 0 actually is a math error, right? Cannot be computed. But as long as that number is a counting number, so let us say A to the power of m over a to the power of m. Now, by the laws of indices, we know that when we have numbers of the same basis under division, it becomes subtraction. So the power in the numerator will subtract the power of the denominator. And we know that n minus m gives us what? 0. Is that not so? Good. Now, also, what does this mean? A to the power of 0, right? Remember, we are saying any base to the power of 0 gives us 1. What of if we say a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m? Now, let me paint a picture to you. Let us say you have 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 3. By virtue of numbers, these numbers are of the same size or magnitude, because 2 to the power of 3 means 8. So 8 divided by 8, you say 8 here 1, 8 here 1. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. Therefore, these have the same powers and also the same base. So therefore, you can cancel to say this cancel, this gives you 1. So therefore, a to the power of 0 equals to 1. So this is another proof to tell us that what? Any number to the power of 0 equals to 1. So going back to what we did the other time, let us assume that we say 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2. As long as the bases are the same, right, we can subtract their powers. 2 minus 2 gives us 3 to the power of 0. And we know that 3 to the power of 2 is 9. They cancel out to give us what? 1. I hope we have been able to convince you that any number to the power of 0 gives us what? 1. So see you in the next video. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button and on the subscription button as well. Or click on the notification icon so that you can get to see more videos as we drop them on this channel. Bye for now.